Hello, my name's David McCarthy. I come from England. I've been coming to Mauritius for about the last 11 years. On one of the flights I noticed an advert for Challenge Hair, and over the years I noticed my hair was getting thinner and thinner, and I was getting more insecure about it. So before I was due out on a holiday one year, I emailed the clinic to ask them about the procedure and the prices and such like, and I also saw some clinics in the UK. The service seemed to be much more switched on here, so when I visited I came out to see the clinic and had a chat with the doctor. The prices were basically about 25 to 30% cheaper than England, and the clinic was absolutely stunning. It was beautifully clean and tidy, and everyone seemed really friendly, so I booked in. So that was 2 years ago now, and as you can see, I'm really pleased with the results. I couldn't be happier. I would have it done again in a heartbeat. So I came in to see the doctor about 3 or 4 days ago to show them the results of my hair. Really pleased with that, and I asked them about the roles that I seem to be getting as I get older. So within the next few hours I'm just about to go in for some liposuction around the stomach and chest and back, and also try and get rid of some of my neck. So that's the start of it. Quite hooked now. The clinic is amazing, really professional. All the doctors know exactly what they're doing, and if there's any concerns about having it done in a different country, there shouldn't be. The backup service is there. You can email to find out any questions and answers that you've got, ask any questions and get some answers, and not worry about a thing. So pretty soon I shall be thinner as well, hopefully.